how you can blur a part of video in CapCut. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us begin. Just open up your CapCut, and after you open a CapCut, you can import a new project or you can start with the project on your phone. So I'll just start with a new project. So I'm using just a random screen recording, and what I'll do here is I'll just blur the third row of these apps, and I'll show you guys how you can do that. So let me just do this first, and now what we'll do is we'll just segment this video. Now let's say that I want to blur the first 10 seconds. So I'll just put this timer on the 10th second and split the video. So after splitting the video, I'll just import an effect and tap on video effects. And after you do that, just search for blur and just choose a blur, whichever you want. I'll just use the random standard blur. And after doing that, you can just tap on cancel and hit select. Now, as you can see right here, I've blurred this first part. Now the first 10 seconds are blurred. Now what we'll do is we'll export this video out. Now let me remove this. Now we'll just export this video. Now after you've exported the video, you'll have to import the video again. Now to import the video, tap on new project and import the original video and also the blurred video. So as you can see right here, I have two of the video. This is the first one. It's of the 19 seconds, and the second one, which is also of 19 seconds. So the first one is not blurred and the second one is blurred. Now what we'll do to the blurred video is select the video and scroll down till you find overlay. After you find overlay, tap on overlay and it will go a layer down. So we'll just drag this to the front, and after you drag it to the front, what you'll now need to do is let us delete this template first. So after you bring down the blurred video, after you do the overlay, what you'll now need to do is select the blurred video. After you select the blurred video, scroll down till you find mask. Now it's right here. Tap on mask and select whichever you want. Now I'll just choose a rectangle and place it. You can edit it, you can manage its size, and as I said, I'll be blurring the third row. As you can see, I've blurred the third row, and there you go. That's how you do it. And after it reaches the half point, it will just remove the blur because there is no blur on the overlaid video. So that is basically how you blur a video, and that is all for the video, guys. Now you can export the video and you'll have a video with the blur in it. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.